Hello, welcome to your Mindful Minute. I am grateful to be here with my friend Rosanna, who I met in grad school here at UNO in this Arts and Sciences building behind us. So, our affirmation or theme today is I am grateful.
Estoy agradecida.
In Spanish, yes. And so Rosanna and I were thinking of things that we are grateful for because it is impossible to be mad or any sort of upset emotion if we are focused on the things in our lives that we are grateful for. So being that we're here on a college campus, I am grateful for my education, my educational opportunities, especially because I teach students who are from other countries and they are adults and they have never had educational experiences. They're adults who are older than me who have never gone to school once. So grateful for education. How about you?
I'm grateful for summer so we can spend some time outdoors.
Yeah, grateful for these awesome trees and the ability to sit in the grass today.
Yeah.
What else are you
Beautiful
grateful for?
weather. And the sun.
Yes.
And the birds.
Yes.
I'm grateful.
Yes. And I am grateful for videos that we can do on YouTube and the fact that I have learned so much from YouTube videos, random things like how to fix something like the garbage disposal or how to get a stuck key out of the door.
I'm grateful for friends.
So grateful.
I'm grateful for
yes. Human connection, like great relationships.
Yeah.
Makes life most worth living. Love it. So, a practice that we can do to help us really be mindful with gratitude relates to putting our hands on our heart. And when we put our hands on our heart, it helps us to be present because we are feeling our heartbeat and we are noticing our breath. So you can do this with your eyes closed, where what we are going to do is as we breathe in, we are thinking about things about ourselves that we are grateful for, like character traits or skills or things we have done that we are grateful for. So I'm thinking of I am grateful for my ability to be a good friend, and I'm grateful for creativity. And then we'll do that for the first two inhales, and then for the next two inhales, we'll think about something else or someone else that we are grateful for. So let's go ahead and close our eyes and take a big inhale, thinking about something about yourself you are grateful for. And exhale. Another inhale, breathing in, thinking about something you are grateful for about yourself. And exhaling. Now I am inhaling and I'm thinking about someone or something I am grateful for. Exhaling. And one more time, I'm thinking about someone or something I am grateful for. And exhale. Well, thank you for taking a couple minutes to be mindful and remembering that when you find yourself upset, if you just focus on the things in life that you are grateful for, it can help you even out your emotions. Thank you.